Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. So I'm going to show you guys how to make your hard drive work, which is something like this. You look at this F. In case you guys are having access, it's not accessible. So I'll be fixing this program today using the AOMEI partition assistant, and I'm going to fix it really quick. Go check out the software. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and leave a comment below as I fix this stuff. You can see I have the hard drive red, and red. And first of all, look, this is it. So if you take off your hard disk and plug it, this is the error I keep getting. You can't go to properties and check for anything. If you check on property, you see there's nothing there. Tools, you can check error checks and stuff like that. Um, if I go to create and format, which is this create and format hard disk, get the same error. Basically, getting the same error from here, and this is the error I'm getting from here, which is this on the F, right? So on the F, it says on the F, you can see on the F and both on the E. So this is E and the F, so both can't be accessible. So I'm going to try on the F, and if you check here on the F, you'll see that basically 500 MB free space. You check here on the E, then you see 494 capacity, then 494 free space, which means there's nothing inside basically. And you want to go ahead and format this. So yeah, I won't do that. And first thing I'm going to do for this is go ahead and open this AOME partition assistant. Once you're done with that, it's going to give you this. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this and go to advanced, check partition, and fix error in this partition by using CC, which is the CMD check files. And you can see that's okay. If I go back there, you see I have my F back, right? So the same thing I'll do for this. I'll go to advanced, check partitions. Okay, check partition and fix errors. And by the way, I'm going to leave the description below, so in case I can check it out. Alright, so I'm done with that, so I'm going to click OK. By the way, I'm going to leave the link below in the description. You can see the E has been fixed, and this is my E. So all you gotta do is close this and open it back, and you'll see what I'm telling you about the partition in case. Alright, you can see everything is back to normal, and that is how to fix this. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys. Subscribe, turn on the post notification, and leave a good comment below. Thanks again.